What's going on, beautiful people? Mr. Watson speaking, back again with another video. Daily vlog time, so you know what that means. You get what you get, you better not be upset. As simple as that. Hey Eric, you want to say hi to the people?
Yo, what's good, everybody? You know, we popping. I hope you guys are having a good day. You know, all that stuff.
What?
So annoying, bro. Anyway, guys, we're currently in the line for Best Buy. There's a big drop for graphic cards currently, so there's a big restock, and hopefully we get one, because this line is beastly. We've been here since like 2, 3 in the morning, and yeah, it's currently 6 something right now, so I'm gonna update you guys and see what we get. Hopefully we get a 30, 60, 70, or 80, whichever, something at least at bare minimum. So hey, wish us luck, guys. Did I say wish us luck, guys, or did I? Wish us luck, guys? Yeah, and that's it. Peace. What is good, guys? So I definitely forgot to update you on if I was lucky enough to receive the GPU, and sadly I got lucky enough to receive it. I'm feeling blessed, I'm feeling happy. If you know how hard these are to obtain currently in the current These are to obtain currently in the current market, bro. It is a blessing that I was lucky enough to get one. So I bought all the parts for my PC, so Eric is gonna help me build it this weekend, and it's gonna be a good little time. Currently, what I'm about to go do, I'm about to go get myself a haircut, cause I definitely feel out of place usually when I don't get a haircut. So yeah, we're gonna go handle that, and whatever happens next when you get the camera comes on, yeah, like usual, you get what you get, you better not be upset. Welcome back, guys. Yes, do I look a little different? Do I look a little different? Do I look a little cleaner, look a little sharper, a little smoother? You know, God, look at that hairline, look at that. God damn, sharp. Call me Shannon. Clean, boy. This is what happens when you get what you get and you don't get upset, because we're not doing retakes. We're just not gonna do retakes. So yeah, bro, it is what it is. Man, got a haircut. Probably gonna go to the mall later with Tyreek, maybe a fan favorite of everybody. Yeah. Right now I'm just sitting in my car, doing nothing. Why? Because I was supposed to do something and that got canceled. So yeah. So now we're doing what we're doing. This guy is definitely watching me while he's raking his leaves. So I'll be going. I'll be going now, guys, and I'm gonna see y'all soon. Also, back again, just wanted to say this because people were talking to me like, oh, Sean, you know, because when I was making a complaint how this guy, my friend, put me onto a barber and he sucked and he did a terrible job, and I went to my original barber. But yeah, so he shaved off mad of my beard, and they were like, oh no, he didn't take off that much. Look, just look. See, this is what happened like a couple weeks ago. You see it now, bruh. This was season 1. Now this is season 2, because it was all season 1, but now it is season 1, season 2 is coming, and yeah, bro. See, because I'm like, bro, what the fuck nigga, like, bro, I'm out of here. Yo, what's good, y'all? So obviously outfit change, clothes change, new shirt, do-rag on. Yes, I got a cut, but I gotta let the hair lay down and sit, you feel me? At the mall currently. I was supposed to come with Tyreek, but Tyreek is not done with work, so it is me on my Dolly vibes. Yes, it's okay, the world's not gonna end. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, get some stuff, or just look around. So yeah, just letting y'all know.
Y'all know who it is.
Alright guys, what's going on? Andy's taking me out for drinks today. What's the place called? Brio BX? Brio BX? Barrio.
Yeah.
Barrio BX, you feel me? It's this little spot over in the Bronx. Seems nice. Drinks are good. She already started getting me drunk, as you can see. Listen, it's legal now because I'm 21. So, but yeah, I'll probably keep you guys updated. She's gonna try to kill me, and yeah. It's gonna be good. See ya. Alright, boom, y'all. So me and Andy about to have a quick little drink battle. I don't know who's the bigger alcoholic here.
You're definitely the bigger alcoholic, but I think I can chug that.
Did you just start drinking?
No.
She's lying, bro, lying. Okay.
The camera will be evident.
Alright, copy. Alright. Alright, so to the bottom.
To the bottom?
Yep.
Alright,
3, 2, 1.
What I said.
Yo.
What I said. Like I said.
Alright guys, so I don't even know, we're like 3 drinks in, I think, or something like that. And we haven't eaten food, so you can obviously see something's different. But this wing, I missed the video to eat the wing. Hey, we about to eat this wing. Feel me? Yeah.
He fucking that shit up. Oh, God.
Muy bien. Nah, yo, shut up.
Muy bien.
Muy
Nah,
bien.
the food is good. Most definitely. It's fresh. You know, lots of color. I think that this sauce is that. This is garlic sauce.
This is garlic parmesan sauce.
How the fries?
This shit slap.
You should try this.
What?
They just never had this before.
Oh yeah, bro.
I have a little bit of sauce.
Oh, bro, this is relax. You're excited. You're excited.
Not much left. But
Not much, but
it is not nice. You don't like it?
I don't.
You don't like it?
Not at all.
Nah, what?
Not at all.
You ever had yuca before? What?
I don't think so.
What?
I was thinking to my regular fries.
What? Nah, like I grew up eating yuca like on like weekends.
No.
And like just a little bit of onions. That's it.
Nope. Nope.
Okay.
All right, guys. So Andy was talking shit, and now I'm serious now. So if she wins, she win. If I win, you know I was dead ass. So let's get it. Boom.
Alright, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Wait, I didn't even do mine.
See, there we go. Here we
So
go.
sorry. She's so sorry. You ready? Let's go. Cheers, baby.
No, Andy, bro, my line. My lime literally got me stuck.
Excuses. You know he was moving. That's why he was like, wait.
It literally pulled the lime. It literally pulled lime out. It literally pulled it. I'm so serious. Now I'm tight because
He's taking that. Oh, let's take that. Oh, here, look, I got a package. for
move.
you.
No. Alright, y'all. So this is the third one because Andy's talking real spicy. There's no limes. If I lose, there's no limes here. If I lose, I lose. Excuse me. But if I win, you see why. Alright? Alright? I'm letting y'all know. Okay? Okay? Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. The evidence will be.
Alright, y'all, man. It's me and Eric right now, PC Master right here. Eric, yo, say something, man.
Hey,
Let
boy.
people know, man.
Yeah, man, it's your boy Eric, you know? Zooey for short, you know what you're saying? We're here building a PC.
Bow.
Alright?
Bow.
Our
We got the
build
big case right over there, boy.
our build is RTX 3070 Ti with the Ryzen 7 5800X processor. We gonna make shit happen, you already know.
Hey, man. So we're gonna do a little speed run for this through. Yeah, you already know, man. It's gonna take some time, but you know, it is what it is.
I
You
barely
get what
know.
you get. You won't be upset. That's how life
Exactly.
goes. Love y'all. Let's get it.
Okay.
Damn, I don't even know what to say. Guys, yo, 75%.
75%.
75%. I don't know how. Damn, oh my God, please don't.
We're fine. We're fine.
Listen, y'all, I've been freaking out the whole time, but man, yeah, 75% complete, man. Beautiful. This shit, as you can see, I don't know how far you can see. I don't know how much y'all be knowing about this stuff, but this is a masterpiece so far, man. Very proud of this. Very grateful for this man right here. Very, very grateful for this man. Yeah, we gonna finish the rest up tomorrow because it is like almost 12 o'clock and we are tired. And
we forgot to buy the power supply.
Yeah. So unfortunately,
we forgot to buy the power supply. Like, that's kind of silly.
It's the fact that we thought the GPU was gonna be the hard part, and then we really forgot the power supply. So
then that's just easy. So we have to go to Best Buy tomorrow, pick one up, and we'll be good. Yeah. We have to finish that and do all the wiring tomorrow, and we'll be Gucci.
Yes. So guys, we will see you guys tomorrow. You already know. Yeah, Eric, put your hand on the screen. Just sure.
Boy, didn't he just tell your Bill Buckle knucklehead ass to put your hand in the screen? Fuck is this?
No, you gotta. Alright guys, and welcome back. So, it seems like we're completed. However, it's time to turn it on and boot it up.
Yeah.
So,
let's see if it works.
If we're lucky, we're lucky. If we're not,
fuck.
Shit, fuck. So, alright Eric, let me know when we're ready and I'll... Ready?
Yeah, we're ready right now.
Alright guys, so, pressing the power button. LEDs are on. LEDs are on. Just letting y'all know if y'all can't see.
On the motherboard and...
Oh shit.
Nah, that's it, bro.
We'll be right back. Alright guys, so back again for part 2, right? There was a whole little dilemma, you know. Genius right here. Fixed it up. As you can see, I don't know if you can see him, he's sweating right now, but put in a lot of work. So yeah, we're gonna let's go back to how we're gonna turn it on.
Yep.
The LEDs are on, okay, but now, Eric.
Bro, there ain't no way it's not working right now. LED. There's no way.
Oh shit. Oh fuck me.
There's no way. I literally just did it. I literally just did it just now.
Sad goose hours.
Alright, back to drama.
Alright guys, and we'll be back soon. Alright, and we're back for part 3. Yeah, you know, 1 and 2 mishap, you know, but as Eric said, we should be good.
Yes, we should be good.
Remember those words. So, now, turn it on one more time. Alright, 1, 2. Oh, fuck me.
Bro, there is no way. No way.
Well, guys, at this point, I'm just gonna bring it when it turns on. Bye. Hey guys. So I think we've. I don't even just listen. Today was an L. Best way to put it. We've been working on it for hours, trying to figure out the last thing, because we're done. We just don't know why it wasn't turning on
at all.
Shout out the Discord though. Eric's friends were putting us on to some things, so hopefully in the morning
I'm gonna fix it, and
it should be fine.
It better fucking work, yo.
And if not, man, we have a lot of other problems on our hands. So let's hope, because if I end this video right now, it didn't happen in the morning. So alright, I'm gonna see you guys soon. If anything, I guess, yeah, like, you can like, comment, subscribe if you want. If I do that, yeah, you know, tell somebody you love them if I end this video. If I'm not gonna put any of this in here, but if you know, we definitely took an L. Yeah. So yeah, man, peace, love, guys. Holla at me. I'll see you guys next time.